Hi everyone, I am Rob Rice, Director of Education and co-owner of Nailogic. Nailogic has been providing top quality nail enhancement products and education with these products for more than 20 years. We have more than a combined 50 years of application and education experience just in the management staff here at Nailogic. We think of Nailogic to be an education company first. Nailogic manufactures Nailogic's hard gels, Tendigo gel polishes, Acrylic IQ professional gels, Nailogic wraps products, and Nailogic Odorless Acrylics for skateboards testing. I would like to take a brief few moments to share some thoughts with you. This updated video is intended to enhance the learning curve for those new to nails or to Nailogic products. Our videos attempt to stress the little things. You know, the little things that sometimes make a great big difference in the end result. Our videos will take the viewer step by step through the application procedure, not only using video, but printed instructions right on the screen, and voice instructions as well, to skip, ignore, or not complete steps as identified in this video would likely not produce the results you need or want. Please take advantage of the option to watch this video, stop it, restart it, rewind it, rewatch it, and compare your practice to what the video demonstrates. We at Nailogic cannot overstress the importance for practice. Practice is repetitions. Repetitions promote understanding. Understanding leads to confidence. And only with confidence can you build speed. Anyone who owns Nailogic products can call our office for product applications assistance. After all, we consider Nailogic to be an education company first of all. Contact information can be found on our product containers, on our printed instructions, or at nailogic.com. That's Nailogic with one L.com. We hope you find this video to be instructive and helpful. Nailogic's best advice: watch this video from start to end. Then watch it again, stopping and starting the video step by step as you complete each step as demonstrated in this video. You will need these items to sculpt a Nailogic Odorless Acrylic nail. Let's begin. This is the Nailogic Nail Dehydrator. We're going to apply as if it were polish. Watch as it's done. Always cap the free edge. Using the Nailogic Adhesion Booster, this is a non-acid primer. Apply as you would polish, and always cap the free edge. The first thing you need to know about odorless acrylic is that it dries much more slowly than a professional acrylic. So it's very important to pay close attention to these instructions to help understand how to get the best results more quickly. Watch this. This is very important. If when you have created a ball and have put it on the nail, and if it begins to flow by itself, the ball you have created is too wet. And if you can wipe it off this simply, it is too wet. Or, the other side of this equation, it takes more powder, less odorless monomer when working with an odorless than you would with a professional acrylic. Pay attention to how much time is being spent in the acrylic powder. We're going to drop that on the nail. This ball is too dry. See how it remains frosty for more than 5 seconds. Add just a little tiny bit of odorless monomer and begin to work the product again. So, better to make your acrylic balls a little too dry. Once put on the nail too wet, you cannot make it drier. So, with these things in mind, let's get started. After having prepped a practice finger as demonstrated in the prepping a nail portion of this video, having applied a tip, sanitized, dehydrated, and primed the nail, it is time to apply a form and begin to sculpt. Whatever form works best for you. Apply the form. Using the white acrylic powder and monomer, it's time to apply the white acrylic. Creating an acrylic ball to be the correct consistency will require practice. Practice will be your best teacher. Remember, the wetter your brush, the bigger the ball you must make. If the acrylic balls you make flow on their own, the ball is too wet. The ball should remain stiff until you move it. Always, always dry your brush before working your product. Let me show you why it is so important to dry your brush. Watch how much drying we are doing of this brush. Now watch this. See how much monomer was still in those brush bristles? If you do not dry your brush, you will keep adding monomer to the ball, making it too wet, and it takes more work and longer to dry. Using the belly of the brush, begin to move product from side to side. It is all about the angle of your brush and the pressure you apply. Using the belly of the brush, you must apply more pressure at the free edge and sidewalls where product needs to be thinner, less pressure near the center of the nail. You must begin to create an arch. Angle your brush so the belly applies more pressure at the free edge and sidewalls, less pressure toward the center of the nail. Be firm along the sidewalls to keep acrylic thin in those areas. A couple of techniques, working in a smile line. These will take practice. Using your pink or clear acrylic powder, we are going to apply a pink or clear ball immediately behind the white. Drop your ball on. Always, always dry your brush before working your product. You can always add more monomer later. Again, with the belly of the brush, less pressure in the middle of the nail, more pressure at the sidewalls.
Then gently sweep toward the free edge to blend and smooth. Watch again. Again, belly of the brush to move. Gently sweep to blend and smooth. Create acrylic balls as needed. Always, always dry your brush before working your product. At the cuticle, use the brush tip to work acrylic back. To preserve an arch, more pressure at the cuticle areas, less pressure toward the center of the nail, more pressure at the free edge. Watch again from a different angle. Flat nails are weak nails. And this should be your desired result. Now to file and shape. We must remove the form, choose your file, long file strokes will render a faster filing result. Sawing on product is okay. Remember, it is all about the angle of your file and the pressure you use. Caution when filing near cuticles and sidewall. Acrylic product should be thinner at the cuticle, sidewalls, and tip, and arched in the middle of the nail. Flat nails are weak nails. Product should always be thickest where the nail would be weakest. Expect more filing when you're new, less filing when you've had more experience. Notice the nice gentle finished arch. Choose a buffer and we're going to buff to a smooth finish. Caution when buffing around the cuticle and sidewalls. When buffing is finished, we're going to use the hand and nail sanitizer and your sanitizer brush. Spray, sanitize, and sweep clean. And allow this to dry. Now is a good time for some gel polish. Nailogic creates the 10 to go custom gel polish colors where you create the colors and you only need to make enough to do one client at a time.